Seems like the main question is the revenue, is the business accelerating or decelerating? And you're saying something different from what some people think, right?
Well, first of all, great to be with you, John. Just to give you a statistic that I think is worth understanding, our Q1 new business doubled from Q1 last year. So I think that is a sign of very real optimism about our business. Companies we're working with just really saw an exposure during the pandemic, and what was seen as back office capabilities and information technology solutions for the back office that weren't really front of mind are now becoming truly front of mind. And we think we're just really moving into an opportunity that we haven't seen in the life of this business, which is now over a decade of execution.
So to remind viewers and investors, the core of your business, which you started out with, is spend management, applying data, applying AI to the costs that businesses have, which I think is an interesting position, both when the economy is growing and people are excited about cloud and AI and all of that stuff, but also potentially when things turn the other direction and companies need to save money. What did you see in behavior during the pandemic at a time when companies needed to tighten their belts, and what do you see now as things are accelerating?
Well, look, we cover all areas of what we call business spend management. So supply chain design and planning, procurement, treasury, inventory, contingent workforce, labor, everything as it pertains to how a company spends money. And what companies want is they want to avoid disruptions, and many of them have seen disruptions in their supply chain. They need to quickly reallocate inventory. They need to ensure continuity of their business and resiliency of their business. And we had companies that really weren't able to order PPE quickly. We had companies that weren't able to send payments to their suppliers quickly because they had to send people into the office to write paper checks. I mean, we discovered just a huge area of opportunity that they knew about, but now they're beginning to really think about how to transform digitally through the use of best-in-class comprehensive cloud solutions. And John, as you know, we offer a comprehensive business spend management cloud solution to address these things. And we're taking on some incredible projects. I mean, we're working with companies the likes of BMW and Nestle, IKEA, UPS, and others to address these needs. And, amongst the thousands of customers we have already, we think it's just really getting going into this huge total addressable market.
So finally, on this question of acceleration versus deceleration, what does the pipeline look like? And, give it to me if you're talking about the M&A that you've done versus not. How strong is that pipeline based on what it's been in the past?
Well, our pipeline is the largest it's ever been going into the coming quarter. It's large in our mid-market business, it's large in our enterprise business, and our late-stage pipeline that's made up of a whole host of companies all over the world is moving along very quickly. So we couldn't be more bullish about this business.